Today I got my 2017 Toyota 4runner. I just changed the oil and I'll show you how to reset the maintenance reminder. This is the version that does not have the smart key. It has a real key. So step one is going to be to use the trip button here and set it on trip A. Okay, I have the car running right now. I'm going to turn the car off. I'm going to press the trip button and I'm going to hold it down, and I'm going to turn the key all the way forward, but I'm not going to start the car. Okay. So I'm holding it down, key in. Oh, my hand came off the button. Hold on, let me try that one more time. It's kind of tricky with one hand. See how I'm doing this right here? Alright, so holding it down. Oh. If you hold it down, it should say this right here. And that's in Spanish. And what that says is, please hold on, I'm resetting your maintenance data. Pretty funny, that was in Spanish and everything. But that's how you reset the, the maintenance reminder in Spanish. Ah!